Hi, this is Amit, your genie, and I'll take you to the wonderful world of Excel. This is an introduction chapter, and we'll touch upon different aspects of Excel. First of all, we should know what is Excel good at. Excel is good at number crunching. It can help creating chart. It can organize our complex list. It can access other data. It can create graphs and diagrams. It can automate complex tool. And we'll see all this function as we move advanced in our tutorial. Now let us see what is workbook and worksheet is. If we click on Excel icon, what we get is a Excel workbook, and within that workbook we have Excel worksheet. Excel by default gives you 3 worksheets, but you can increase or decrease as and when required. Excel have different parts and its name. Excel display its name when you bring your cursor near to it, so you don't need to bother about this. And this is Excel menu bar, this is toolbar. You can increase or decrease the display of toolbar by just clicking on the specific toolbars, right? Further, if you look at the navigation of within the Excel worksheet, you can navigate with the help of your keyboard or with the help of mouse. Keyboard have arrows, right, left, up, down, and also page up and page down. So with the help of these arrows you can navigate with the within the worksheet. And if you put control and page up and page down, you can navigate with among the worksheet also. And with the mouse it's very easy. You just bring your mouse near wherever you like and just click. You can activate that particular cell. And if you mail me, I can mail you back the different names and their function and the different movement keys within Excel and their function. Now we'll see how to use a command in Excel. We can use a command in Excel by using Excel menus, using Excel shortcut menus, using shortcut keys, and using toolbars. Now let us take this by an example. Let us say we want to copy something. The first option we have is Excel menu bar. We go to the edit bar and just copy the thing. The thing is copied. This is one way. You can copy by right clicking the thing, copy. You can copy by using shortcut key, which you can see right here. Copy is Control C, so you just copy Control C, it will get copied. And the last option is Excel toolbar. If you look at this part, this is a copy. You can copy right from here. So you can increase the visibility of Excel toolbar by, as earlier said, by clicking right clicking on the Excel toolbar. And one interesting thing is that Excel toolbar is very easily movable. You can float anywhere. You can adjust it according to your visibility, so on. In our immediate tutorial, we'll create your first worksheet. Let us start our worksheet by building a simple sales projection table and a chart. Let's start with Jan, abbreviate form of January, Feb, abbreviate form of February, and we can use the Excel autofill option to fill the remaining month of the year. So drag it till December, and we have all the months here. Say for example we have 10,000 sales in the month of Jan, and we are expecting a 10% increase over the Jan in the month of Feb. So similarly for the month of March we are expecting 10% increase over Feb. So just control down and it will pull the above formula. And we can use again autofill option to drag it till the month of December. Just double click on the cell and it will drag itself to the first break of the left column. So December has the first break and it has drag itself to the again December. Let's put total here. Sorry, total. And as I've earlier said that you can use command by various methods. So we can sum this by a formula, and this is sum. We can use toolbar to sum this, and we can use the shortcut keys to sum this. Use alt and is equal to sign, it will sum itself. So your sales projection is ready. Now this is okay, but we need a little formatting to make it more impressive and little good. So let's start by inserting a row. Alt IR, or you simply go to insert and insert a row. If you want further rows, you can use F4. F4 will repeat the immediate last function which we have used in Excel. So this is ready. Let's put this to a month. Let's put this to sales. This complete is sales projection. Let's put it in create center and merge. Make it bold. Make this too bold. Put this into table. Grid lines. Make this bold and give it a double line by creating borders. Give it a format. Make it Times New Roman. Just type T Times New Roman. Make the font size 12, and this look a little neat and clean. Done. Further, now you want to create a chart. Just select the data which you want in your chart and go to insert and chart. It will have different charts, column, bar, line. Let's start with column chart. We'll put next. It gives you various chart options which we can use later. It gives you option whether you want the chart into a new sheet or in the same object. Let's into the same sheet. Excel chart is actually a floating object on the Excel sheet, so you can float it anywhere, and at the same time you have a Excel toolbar opening with the chart, so you can work with the Excel chart. Now so when you click on the Excel chart, it will highlight the area of the table which have been used in the chart, and by taking chart options you can give titles. This is sales projection. Months revenue in terms of rupees. We can go to legends. We want this to be at the bottom. We don't want any grid lines, so remove grid lines, and thing is done. Just click on the chart and you can increase the size as required. You can push it here, you can drag it at little tilted. It will be tilted. You want this number is too big, just make it thousands. So go to scale, we do display unit, thousands, and this is done. You can increase more chart option in our advanced tutorial. Thank you.